Hey guys, LechK here. Quick video to show you how to finish up your Nextile tub surround. If you got it all installed already, the last step is to caulk it, silicone all the edges around the tub and the walls so everything's nice and sealed. I did this originally a couple years back whenever I installed this surround, but I never showed you guys how to actually do that. So you are gonna silicone by the tub, obviously, that's a must. All the edges here, you see this discoloration because I just removed the old caulking and cleaned it up. So now I'm gonna put fresh down. So we have to do the both walls. Also under here. And then since I installed tile, I wanna redo the bottom here because it was all filthy. So using this silicone right here, one of the best ones that come in Home Depot. It's supposed to guarantee no mold, but we'll see about that. Another option if you just don't touch ups is a small tube like that. But what I like about these type tubes is that you use the gun and makes your life a lot easier. Tape is a good option too. Just make sure all the old caulking, if you're removing old, is cleaned up. Or if you just install this tub surround, that everything's nice and clean and no dust and debris and all that. And we're gonna start from the top, work our way down. Let me show you how it's all done. So when you prepping your caulk, you don't wanna cut too much off, just a little bit of the tip, maybe 1/4 inch. You don't want too big of an opening because it's just gonna create bigger mess than you need. Something like that is good. And then you just get your gun. It already has the nail in here to puncture it. Pop it in. And we are good to go. There we go. Have a wet rag available or a sponge so you can wipe any excess off. So in this case, I'm not using tape, and I'll show you guys a close-up as well because I want to cover up the old stains from the old caulking. So I'm just dropping it right like that. Decent bead. To the bottom. With a wet finger. Just push and glide down. And that's it. Show you guys a close-up, how to do the corners in a second. That's how we're going to do both sides, and then we'll work on the bottom. Here's a quick close-up of this side. This is without tape. I'll show you guys the tape trick as well. But it's not really needed, honestly, as long as you clean it up. And then I'll give you guys a close-up how I do it on this side. So close up when doing the top wall here, basically gonna give it a pretty decent bead. In my case, I also want to cover the old tan lines from the old silicone. And then with a wet finger, if you're not using a tool, just glide, apply a lot of pressure, and that's it. You can clean up any excess. You can use your hand, finger, or just grab a razor and just clean up if there's too much, and then just glide down again. And that's it, nice and clean. If you're using tape, it's another option, which I'll show you guys next. And then this corner. If you have a bump anywhere, what you do is with a wet finger, start from one side and kind of just glide outwards, and that will fix it. You don't really have to do the whole thing. Same here. There you go, nice and smooth. Connection on the bottom, I'll show you guys as well. But the bottom here will tape up. So if you want to get nice mess-free lines, you can tape on both sides of one side, about 1/4 inch from the gap. And that way, any circling that goes over this will remove when we peel the tape off. So we can start here. This side. And now start from this corner. This corner. Just gonna get some of this excess from the top here. You peel this off. Nice clean finish, and nothing to clean up. I'll show you guys close-ups when it's all done. I'm gonna run a thin bead under here as well. That. We just finished the bottom, this, and we are all set. Same idea, we start from the end. That's it. Over here I'm using tape as well, just makes it easier to clean up as this is not tile. Clean up tile section. Finish these, peel this off, and we are all done. Here I'm not taping it because I have residue from the old silicone, so I want to kind of cover that up. close up, what a difference tape makes. That works, covered up most of the old one. And now what you can do is take your razor blade and basically check if you have cleanups anywhere and just get any excess off and all that. But you can also do that later on when it dries. It's just simpler when it's still wet because it will just come off, you don't have to cut it off. But that's really it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful. Final product. This was no tape. And then this was the tape. Not a big difference, but basically what the tape does, it just gives you less cleanup. And then that's what the bottom looks like here. Can't even tell. And then this one. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know. Check out the whole build on this bathroom and lots of my other how-to videos. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one.